So, discussion on the working of the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Sri T.K.S. Rangovan to raise discussion.
Honorable Chairman, sir, for permitting to initiate a
Yesterday
debate
you said today.
on the working of the
We shall
Ministry
sit
of
little
Small,
late also
Medium, Small and
take up
Micro
this. We have
Industries.
2 more ministries to be discussed.
Sir,
Please. And the other house is sitting up to 12 o'clock. Please. Rangovan ji.
the purpose of
start.
the
Please.
purpose of these industries
Please. No.
is to
It is the
take
chair to decide. Don't make comments and counter comments. Huh?
the
Rangovan.
purpose of this MSME is to take economy to the rural areas, to the backward areas, and areas where we need economic activity beyond agriculture. But today, this sector is ignored by the government. The first, I can quote from the budget of 2018-19. Sir, the budget estimate for 2018-19 for MSME is 1,215.06 crores, whereas in the revised estimate, it has been reduced to 1,097.40 crores. Why the government had revised it at a lower estimate when it should have increased the allocation? That is one question. Sir, the major problem with the MSME is that they need funds. They need funds for upgradation of technology. They need funds for marketing. They need funds for training their people. But this government is not, the banks are not willing to fund these MSMEs. They are ready to fund major industries who take away the money and go run away. Whereas these people who want to give employment, instead of go and work for another, seek employment, they are the people who give employment,
the chair.
investing their money from their own pockets and expecting the banks to support them. Many of these industries were not supported by the banks. That is the problem. Sir, I can quote one case in Tamil Nadu. We have a SIDCO, Small Industry Development Corporation's industrial estate in Tamil Nadu. In the 2015 floods in Tamil Nadu, that industrial estate was inundated and many of the factories could not work. Sir, these people survive on these industries, small industries, the people survive on that. What happened? This SURFACE Act of the government had mentioned beyond 90 days, no loan. So the account becomes bad debt. So instead of supporting these industries with further finance, this government has closed these industries. That is the attitude of the government. What I say is, small industries, these industries should be supported by the government. The banks should lend because this is where the money comes back to the bank. This is where about more than 6 crore people are employed in this sector. And in the early years of the last decade, 2010-11, the contribution of this sector to the GDP was 45%. Today, the contribution has come down to 28%. Why, sir? This is an area where you can see all-round development. This is an area where we can see the entire nation flourishes. But the contribution is 45%, which means no other industry, no other area matches this percentage, whereas now this government's support is less and so the industry is suffering. They need upgradation of manufacturing system. They need IT awareness. They need training. They need to provide training to the employees. But the government does not care for all these things. The banks are not lending for these industries. So the industry is suffering. Sir, hence this kind of treatment will put unemployment, to increase unemployment. So you should support this industry. The government should come forward to support this industry and see that this industry survives. Reducing the budget allocation is not a right policy. I don't know what was the basis for reducing the budget allocation during revised estimate. That is, it is not understandable. What this government thinks of small industries, MSMEs, is something I am wondering as to what the idea of the government has on MSMEs. This leaves many people unemployed, the investors unemployed, the workers are suffering. It contributes to, as I said, the contribution to GDP has come down by 16% as of now. From 2011 to 2019, the contribution to GDP has come down by 16%, which is a great loss to the economy of this country. It is a great hit on the economy of this country. So this government should formulate policies, help people, fund them, finance them to upgrade their technology, to train their people, to have a marketing facility, improve the marketing facilities, to support in their marketing. The government should come forward to fund them. The main crunch is the crisis in the industry is finance. Banks should support, only with the support of this government, these industries will survive. Sir, I can say in Tamil Nadu, I'm just quoting. See, when these SSIs want to bid on government tenders, a 10 to 15% concession were granted to these SSIs. They can have a little more, quote, a little more price so that the price will be accepted. This is one thing which had supported these industries. Secondly, sir, there are many ancillary units. One case I can quote is the BHEL Trichy has many ancillary units which were producing materials for BHEL. Now, one major player had taken up all these industries. They have closed down at least 40 SSIs in Trichy area, and they are now supplying to the BHEL, which means 40 industries were closed and about 400 to 500 employees are rendered jobless. This is not the way the government should look into it. The government should support this industry. MSME is what I can say is it is a very good area where employment generation is there. People, self-employed people will invest funds with the support of the government. With these words, I want the government to reconsider or re-evaluate all these things and do some good to this area, MSME sector, which will help the country in its economic development.
Thank you, Rangavanji. Sri Arun Singh.
सभापति महोदय,